All right, if x equals 14, which equation is true? So A says 3, parentheses, 20 minus x equals 44. So on this one, I would say just replace x with your 14, what they say x equals, and check and see if it's true. You can actually do that on all of them. It's up to you. So let's do that on A. A says 3 times 20 minus x equals 44. Okay, we're going to replace that 20, we're going to replace the x with 14, because they said x equals 14 right here. 20 minus 14 is 6, and 6 times 3, when we're sitting right next to it there, 3 parentheses 6, that means 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Does 18 equal 44? No. So that's false. That is not my correct answer. Okay, now let's try B. So that was, I'm going to label it, that was A. Let's try B. B says 2x minus 3 equals 22. 2x minus 3 equals 22. Now on these, y'all are capable of actually solving these. So we would just follow our steps. Build a wall, circle your variable term. I have a minus 3, so I'm going to add 3 on both sides. And I'm left with 2x equals 25. Divide by 2, divide by 2. And here, x equals 2 goes into 25. Well, it can't go in evenly. 2 could go into 24 12 times, which would mean 2 would go into 25 12.5 times. So we need x to equal 14. So this one is also false. So that's out. C says 2x plus 2 equals 30. C, 2x plus 2 equals 30. Draw your line, circle your variable term. We have a plus 2, so we need to do minus 2. Minus 2. 2 minus 2 zeroes out, and I'm left with 2x equals, and then 30 minus 2 is 28. I need to divide by 2 on both sides. 2 divided by 2 cancels out, and I'm left with an x equals. And 28 goes in, 2 goes into 28. Well, 2 goes into 2 one time, and 2 goes into 8 4 times. So it says x equals 14. Hey, that's what I needed. So I'm going to go ahead and put like a question mark maybe by that one, because we think that's the right answer, but we still want to check. D. And D says, it looked like a P, sorry. X plus 6 equals 30. X plus 6 equals 30. Hey, we can still do the same thing. Build your wall. Circle your variable. This time it doesn't have anything in front of it. So just circle your variable. Subtract 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So I'm left with an x equals, and 30 minus 6 is 24. Not what I need. So that's false. And my only correct answer is C. So on these guys, it's just really important that you check each answer out. You can plug your 14 in if that helps you, just like we did on the letter A. So you can just replace your x with 14. You could also actually solve each equation there. Whichever is easiest for you is fine. You would figure out it was C either way. So make sure for credit that you're showing all work on at least each answer choice. You could have either plugged it in or done it like this, but that you show work on each answer choice. All right. Thanks, guys. Good job.